What are TikTok Shop AI tools? TikTok Shop AI tools are intelligent software solutions that help sellers automate, optimize, and enhance their e-commerce operations within TikTok's shopping ecosystem. These tools use artificial intelligence to analyze trends, recommend products, personalize content, and improve ad targeting, all aimed at boosting sales and engagement. For sellers, AI tools simplify decision making and help identify what's working fastest in TikTok's fast moving marketplace. AI tools for TikTok Shop are used for multiple functions, including product research, ad creation, and trend forecasting. They analyze millions of videos, hashtags, and user behaviors to identify which products are gaining traction. With Helium 10, sellers can combine these insights with advanced analytics to validate product demand, monitor keyword performance, and optimize listings. This combination of AI and analytics allows sellers to act faster and smarter. Successful TikTok Shop sellers use AI tools to automate repetitive tasks like keyword tracking, pricing adjustments, and campaign management. Paired with Helium 10's data insights, these tools help sellers find winning products, design better campaigns, and maintain a competitive edge. The result is a streamlined process that saves time while increasing conversions. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by checking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to smart AI-powered tools that help you research, optimize, and grow your TikTok Shop business efficiently and confidently.